Microsoft Teams is a hub for teamwork. It's an app that helps you pull together a team and work together using chat instead of email, and channels instead of just file folders. It's a workspace where you and your team can securely edit files at the same time and see likes, app mentions, and replies with just a single tap. It's a place that your team can make its own by adding notes, websites, and apps. And because it's in the cloud, it lets everyone work together, no matter where they are. It's a solution that understands that having fun doesn't just make you and your team more productive, it makes you all more creative. Learn how to use Microsoft Teams to connect and create in brand new ways at office.com/training.